go to events, there are hundreds and hundreds of people, and you don't feel the warmth or the vibe. There's been such a lovely atmosphere.
So it is really nice to see all these people and hear how much they are doing and their expertise in this field. It's actually an inspiration for beginners like me.
The theme of the conference colloquium is diversity in healthcare and unity in evidence. That signifies the Kochi being the globally diverse culture.
The networking is one of the best parts. I think every moment we're connecting with different people, a lot of people for the first time, and just hearing about where they come from, what their story is, sharing our journeys together, and collaboration.
It's nice to be around people who can voice being outside the box.
Any community you take, there are diverse needs, the culture is different, and one size fits all cannot really work. So this is where we learn how to adapt, adapt the methodology, adopt the synthesis, adopt the implementation, and customize it into your where it works and in your setting.
All very high-profile keynote speakers here who are stimulating us, which will help us to look forward and to make some improvements in our methodological approaches, which I think is great.
Very nice to connect with people that I'm citing their work in my own work, and they're here, and you get to have candid conversations with them about things that you agree with or disagree with, or things that you're critical about their research, or praising some of their research because you use it very much in your own research.
I've loved it all, actually. This is my first JBI event. I think I said when I was presenting, I felt like I was walking into a family reunion.
They were thinking for diversity in the world, and even for the friendship and empathy, sympathy, everything. And that's why I love atmosphere of the JBI so much.
We are excited because this is the first time that JBI is coming to India, and we are organizing the colloquium, and we are really looking forward to hosting you all here because there's a lot of scientific deliberations that is going to happen, and we hope whatever comes out of this conference ultimately benefits global health.
Namaste, welcome to Kochi 2025.